Here I've got iPhone 13, and let me show you how to create your own Memoji on this device. So first of all, just open the messages, tap on a new one, and click on Memoji icon. And here, by tapping on plus, you can smoothly create your own Memoji. Tap on Get Started. So first of all, just pick the skin color. Then you can add some freckles if you want to, and also paint your cheeks. Also, if you have some beauty spots, you can add them. You've got several options. Then let's go to hairstyle. At first you need to pick the color, and I will choose, for example, brown. So select the haircut that you would like to apply. You can choose this one. But as you can see, you've got plenty of them, so definitely you'll find something suitable. Then let's go to browse. So just pick the one that you would like to have, that you actually have, and then you can pick a forehead mark if you want to add it, and also a brow piercing. Then you can change the color right here, and then tap on done. Now you can edit it a bit more. Let me go back to Memoji, tap on more, and tap on edit. So still we can change the eyes, so just change the shape of your eyes if you want to. Go to head, and at first just pick the age of yours and shape. Then let's go to nose. You've got three options here. We can choose this one, the smallest one, and you can add some piercing. Let me add it in also dark blue, as we have it on our eyebrow. Then you've got also oxygen tube here if you are the one in need, and you've got it. Then let's personalize mouth. You can change the color as well. Then let's go to ears and earrings, obviously, as well. Then facial hair if you had some, and also the bird if you want to add it. Then click on eyewear. So if you would like to apply some glasses, just pick them from this list, and let me choose this one. Then at the top you can select the color, maybe orange, and then you can also change the lenses here. And then if you click on headgear, you can pick any of them. As you can see, sorry for that, as you can see, you've got plenty of options, so I would like to pick this one. Then also you can change the color, so as you can see, you've got main, second, and third. So we can make it red, then second color can be white, and third can be kind of gray. And then tap on cloven. So here also you can change the colors, so I will also apply red and maybe yellow, and this tiny blue. And now you can smoothly pick the t-shirt or the whole dress. I will stay in this t-shirt, and as you can see, this is the Memoji I've made. Then tap on done to save it, and from now on you can smoothly send it to your friends. You can also grab a video with this face and your voice. And this is it, that will be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.